Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a transparent phone with the green screen effect using CapCut and some green screen. Let's watch a video first. And this is the actual video. This is a Poco phone. And if I were to switch it on, what do we have?
Wow.
We have a transparent phone, and we can go to. So this is the actual video that I posted on my YouTube channel. But notice a few problem over here. If you see the hand, the back of the hand, because the hand is holding the phone, is this really transparent? It's not, because this is using a green screen. So we can't see the back of the hand here. That's why we can't see any hand movement. But what we can see, you can see through the background of this. And how is this possibly done? So let's get started. So let me show you my setup first on how I created this, because as a one-man creator, I'm considered a 1 or 2 person, or basically most of the time I'm doing it myself. So as a one-man creator, this is my setup when I'm doing this green screen transparent phone. So I have a tripod, and then I have another phone that's recording what I'm going to do to show you a green screen phone. So this phone is actually recording later what I'm going to do, and for that I'm going to record the background first. So this is the actual footage. The first thing is that I'm recording a background of this, and it doesn't matter if this is 5 seconds or 10 seconds long, but we just need a background. And the background must not change. That's why I'm using a tripod, because this background should not be changing, moving up or down. And then the second part is I'm actually moving along with the video, just showing about my phone, everything. When you see a transparent phone, it's not, because when I switch it on, this is actually a green screen. What I'm doing is I'm removing the green screen away, and that make it look like a transparent phone. To achieve that, we are going to use CapCut. So let's open up my CapCut and start a new project. And then we are going to import the two video inside. Okay, so now you notice that my actual video is actually 54 seconds, and because the background I recorded is 11 seconds. So we are going to move the background down. So we probably need about 5 times. Because remember, when I say that the background must always be the same. So I'm going to do it probably 5 times. And then we'll cut away any extra after that. And then we are going to move. This is the actual green screen video over here. And we are going to move right to the end of it, because we are going to move to this part over here. And for this, I'm going to split the video and then cut away the extra. And so if you actually play the video, because the background is the same, so you can't really tell it. I'm using a tripod, so you can't tell that there's any background change, or there's two videos that's overlaying each other. So this is actually the video. And because I'm going to remove away the green screen, then it make it look like a transparent. So how do we do that? I'm going to click on this clip over here and then go to the cutout. Let's move back to the part where it shows the green color. And click on this and click on the cutout, and then click on the chroma key and color picker. And remember, I'm showing you a green screen, and this work doesn't just for green screen, it can work for any color. And the important part is the strength. You have to switch it to the maximum. If you don't, then you'll see some of the green screen around. So move it to the max, and shadow, move it to the max. Actually, we can play around with the shadow. If you think that you don't need the shadow, then just leave it. But the strength, you definitely have to move it to the max. And then we play the video again. We have a transparent phone. Sorry, I have to mute the video. Let's play the video again. And then we can see that the phone is actually transparent now. So actually what I'm doing is just removing the green screen away and then make it look like a transparent. But the problem here is that if you see the hand here, we can't see the back of the hand because the hand is actually holding the phone. If this is a real transparent phone, we are able to see the back of the hand, but that will be addressed in another video. But for now, the simplest way to create a green screen transparent phone is using this method. And that is why some of us is seeing a transparent phone on TikTok or YouTube, because they are using a green screen and then removing away the green screen. That's how this is done. If you like the video, please subscribe and follow. In the subsequent video that follow, I'll be doing more on the green screen and how we can do it as a one-person creator, because I don't have a team of 10 people, I don't have a group of people, I'm just a one-man creator. And we can achieve the impossible. We can achieve what others can do with a team, and we can do it alone. Thank you for watching. I will see you on the next video.